Hey guys, welcome to Rust. Today, transmission removal on the Beamer for the third time. I'm not gonna brag, but getting pretty good at it. So, show you everything you need to do in the right steps. See how fast we can get this out. Alright, I got my buddy down here helping me today. If you're going to do this in a driveway, which I don't recommend, first you want to do, remove these exhaust hangers. This little 10mm bolt here, there's one over there, you drop the exhaust. Then you gotta drop the hanger bearing. And, oh, there's the cross plate, but we already got that off. Or is it still on?
It's almost off.
It's almost off.
We got a bolt stuck in this side.
And then we'll get to it. Come along. Alright, so under the car here, you can see, oh, where'd it go? Up in there is the bolt. A little 10mm one right there, that guy. Then you gotta get that cross member out right there. And there's one more hanger over there, and that allows the exhaust to come down far enough so you can get the drive shaft out, because that's what you need to do. If you don't do this, that drive shaft is not coming out of there. So we're gonna get to that, and then we'll get to the next step. It got me. It's got me. Okay, so you want to get a jack under there because this exhaust system's heavy. But once you get, oh no, once you get that hanger off, then you got to get that hanger off, and then we got the mid plate off. So now we're gonna load the exhaust and get to the hanger bearings. So watch this little thing. Look how far that comes down. Whoa! That'll do, pig. And now you can get to the hanger bearing with ease. We did this without dropping the exhaust, and it literally took way too long. But now we're professionals at it. Alright, so let me get up there. Hold on. Alright, coming under this side now. Ooh, oh shit. Calm down now. Calm down. Say hello, Cindy. Oh, he's not playing along. Okay, so quesos. Okay, it's dark. Can you see it? Okay, there's the hanger bolt. There's one on each side. You drop those. And then, obviously, where those 4 bolts, drop those. Then the cross member. And shift linkage and stuff, but we'll get to that once all this is out of the way. Back to hyperlapse. Pew 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 pew. Oh, we're upside down right now. Shit. Maybe we're gonna undo the drive shaft bolts first. That way when we drop, the cross member just comes out. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, let's get to it. So now we're in the car, drive shaft's out of the way, and all we have left is there's a flashlight back there. Can you get it for me, Adam? Alright, so we got a C-clip up here we gotta take off. They're pretty easy, you can just do it with your fingers pretty much. See, one. Then there's one on this side of the transmission that you gotta bust off, no big deal. But the tricky one is that one. That one right there. Everyone has a hard time getting that one off. And I'm gonna show you the quick and dirty way of doing it. Like, seeing people need 2 screwdrivers and god damn it, like, come on. I mean, sugar sacks. That one. So it's like a weird little clip, but I'll show you how to get her off. Just let me get a screwdriver. And then the other C clip is right there, but on the opposite side, it's pretty easy. So what you're gonna need to get that off there is a nice stout screwdriver like this, not covered in snow. And then, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see this, but you come from the side here under the lip and just use this as a pry part, and you just pry it up. It can be tricky. There. See that? Boom. And that's how you get that little bastard off, because it can be a fight sometimes. When we first did it, oh my god, what a headache. But all right, that's everything. There's a electronic plug over here we got to unclip, and then it's just all the bolts around the bell housing. So you know what that's all about. Go back into time lapse here. Okay, back out of the car. We got everything undone. So now it's just the transmission bolts, which, you know, and starter bolt, 2 of them. We already got the master slave cylinder out, so we're gonna get at it. Put you back on hyperlapse. Having a little warm-up break. Too cold. Get back to it here in a minute. Nah, let's just go sit on some buckets in the middle of the lake. Old school.
You can, but you gotta pick a warm day because it gets cold quick.
Old school style, bro.
Bring back some old memories, some broken body parts.
Yeah, have some fun on the hill, like old times.
My dad still makes fun of me every day.
All right, 2 last bolts, and we're gonna drop the tranny and see what the issue is, hopefully. Let's go back into hyperlapse. Well, I didn't catch it on camera, but we got her down. It came down in a hurry, so yeah. That's how you move a transmission in an hour. But if you do it like us, it takes a little bit longer because we get warmed up by the fire and party. So now we gotta jack up the front of the car more so we can get this. Oh no, we might inspect underneath, but let's just, we're gonna clean up a bit and then take a look. Well guys, we're at the end of the video. I inspected the clutch fork. It seems fine, it's a little chewed up, but seems not bent. Pivot ball seems okay. So I tried to take the clutch off, ended up stripping a bolt, so then we stopped. But here's where we're at. Clutch fork and all that's fine. That little guy right there is stripped, and still not sure what's going on, but like I said, the clutch fork and whoa, the clutch fork and all that is not bent, so I'm not too sure what's going on right now. We have to get some diagrams and see what the distances is everything are, but what a pain. I guess the old eBay clutch kicked me in the ass this time. Alright, thanks for coming along. It's the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Till the next one, guys. Have a good night.